Hi viewers, today is lecture number 4, so let's start. MCQs number first. Which is the only player in the history of cricket to have captained a team for more than 100 test matches? Answer, Graeme Smith. And it's an important point. A South African cricket commentator and former cricketer, born 1st February 1981, age 40 years, Johannesburg, South Africa. He was appointed as South Africa youngest ever captain. And this is the picture of Graeme Smith. Next MCQs. Which player who was born on 8 April 1963 ended up scoring 8,463 runs in his entire test career? Answer, Alex Stewart. And it's an important point. An England team former cricketer born April 8, 1963, age 58 year, Morton Park, London, UK, having played in 133 tests and 170 ODIs. Next MCQs. What is the width of cricket pitch? Answer, 10 feet. And its important point, it is 22 yard, 20.12 meter long. The protected area or danger area is the center portion of the pitch. A dusty, very dry pitch will favor spin bowling. Next MCQs. According to counting in 2021, there were 25 million residents in Australia. How many kangaroos were there? Answer, 50 million. And its important point, family Macropodidae grayi. Kangaroos have large, powerful hind leg. The kangaroo is a symbol of Australia, appear on the Australian coat of arms. And the next MCQs. When the Great Wall China built? Answer, 1878. And its important points, located in Huairou district, China. Length, 21,196 kilometers. Fortification known as the Great Wall of China. Next MCQs. What does the word oil almond trigger a debt of gratitude? Answer, automatic telephone exchange. And it's an important point, the quality of service is good, the service is uniform day and night. The cost of installation of auto telephone exchange is very high. The switching equipment of auto telephone exchange is sensitive to dust. Next MCQs. Which of the following Indian actor is known as Tragedy King? Answer, Dilip Kumar. And it's an important point, real name Muhammad Yusuf Khan, born 11 December 1922, Kesahwani Bazar, Peshawar, Pakistan, died July 7, 2021, Mumbai, India. Next MCQs. What is the total length of cricket bat? Answer, 38 inches. And an important point, cricket bat from Adidas, Gray Nicole, Puma and more top brands, weight no more than 4.25 inches. Bat typically weight 2 lb to 3 lb, 1.2 to 1.4 kg. Next MCQs. Google launched at first all-electric street view car with which automobile company? Answer, Jaguar. And it's an important point, founded 1st September 1922, Blackpool, UK. Headquarter, Coventry, United Kingdom. Founder, William Lawrence William Walmsley. And the next MCQs, the Paradansu Lota is the de jure national level bicameral legislature of Myanmar. And its important point, established in 2008 by National Constitution, Payajunsa Lata has two houses, upper and lower. Emuta Lata, upper house is 224 seat. Petu Lata, lower house is 440 seat. Next MCQs, A Dream for Peace is Most Surprising Ambassador, memo written by Ghulam Bera. And it's an important point, an ambassador microbiologist physician is a physician Bera worked in Mysore, Morocco for the Ministry of Health. Born 29 May 1938, Algeria. Died 4 March 2011, Florida. Next MCQs, Out of Many Portraits of America Immigrants is the famous book written by, answer, George W. Bush. And its important points, American politician and businessman, 43rd President of the United States. From 2001 to 2009, political party, Republican Party, born 6 July 1946, age 75 year, New Haven, US. Next MCQs, which of the following is the only sitting American president being arrested? Answer, Ulysses Grant. And its important point, American military leader who served as the 18th President of the United States, born 27 April 1822, Point Pleasant, US. Presidential term, 4th March 1869 to 4th March 1877. Died 23rd July 1885, New York, US. Next MCQs, Kholep Island is found in which of the following country? Answer, Thailand. And its important point, Thai Island is the Andaman Sea near Malaysia border. The island has sandy beach including Pattaya and Het Chau Lidau site. Maximum weight 2.5 km and maximum length 2 km. Look at the picture. And the next MCQ, the London Assembly comprises of how many elected members? Answer, 25 members. And its important point, founded 3 July 2000. Voting system, additional member system. Meeting in City Hall on the south bank of the River Thames, close to Tower Bridge. Next MCQs, Cleveland Dam is located in, answer, Canada. And its important point, Cleveland Dam is a 91-meter high concrete dam at the head of the Kipilano River, Canada. Constructed in 1951 and completed in 1954. Efficient water supply and sustainable use of water resources. Look at the picture. And the next MCQs, Welland Canal is located in, answer, Canada. And its important point, a ship canal in Ontario, Canada, connecting Lake Ontario and Lake Erie. Lock 8, Bridge, Town Line Tunnel, Hummer Bridge. Next MCQs, When was Panama Canal officially opened? Answer 1914. And its important point, Panama Canal is an artificial 82 kilometer waterway in Panama. Connect Atlantic Ocean and Pacific Ocean. Owner Isthmian Canal Commission. Date completed 15 August 1914. And look at the picture. And the next MCQs. The Faroe Island, comprised of 18 rocky volcanic islands, is a self-governing archipelago found in Kingdom of Denmark. And important point, 18 rocky volcanic island between Iceland and Norway in the North Atlantic Ocean. Official language Faroese Danish. Capital Tórshavn. Next MCQs. Karen 3 Dam is located in answer Iran. And important point, a hydroelectric dam on the Karen River located in the province of Khuzestan, Iran. Karen River has the highest discharge slats and seasonal flooding in Iran. Installed capacity 2280 megawatt. And this is the picture of Karen 3 Dam. So this is the end of lecture number 4. Thank you. Please subscribe our YouTube channel Pictorial Knowledge and like, comment and share our YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.